think you must have USB drive to install or format Windows. What if I told you you can reinstall Windows without USB drive, without a DVD, and without any external boot device at all? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step method to install Windows directly from your hard drive, and it works most exactly like a normal USB installation. Let's jump right in. What you need before we start? We only need two things. First, a boot configuration tool called EasyBCD. This tool lets us control what loads before Windows starts. Second, the Windows ISO file. Download the Windows 10 or Windows 11 ISO directly from Microsoft's official website to stay safe and updated. Once you have both files ready, we can begin. Step 1. Create a virtual installation partition. Now we're going to create a small partition that will behave like a virtual bootable USB drive. Here's how. Right-click on the Start menu and choose Disk Management. Now find the drive with most free space. If you only have one drive, that's fine. We'll use that. Right-click on the drive and choose Shrink Volume. Now here enter 10240 megabytes. That's exactly 10 gigabytes. Then click on Shrink. You'll now see 10 gigabytes of unallocated space. Right-click on the space. Choose New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Finish. Click Next. Finish using default. Now it's done. Close it. Now your new 10 gigabytes partition is ready. Now step 2. Go to Download, and here we'll see Windows 11 ISO file. Right click on here and click Mount. Select all files. Right click and copy. Go to this PC. Now paste all those files into the new drive. At this point, your partition contains the full Windows installer, just like a bootable USB drive. Now step 3. Install EasyBCD normally and open it. Choose your language. If your home user approved the non-commercial use option, if you see buttons that take the message, click OK. Now we'll create the virtual Windows installer boot entry. Open the EasyBCD. Yes. Click on OK. Now, click on Add New Entry. Now here select WinP. Now select WIM Image RAM Disk. Now click Go to Browse. Go to this PC. And go to the new volume you created. Go to Resources. And select boot.wim file. Click on Open. Now once it's done, click on this Add icon. Now it's added. Now go to the Edit menu tab. Now here you will see two entries. One is your current Windows, that is Windows 10, and another one is you've added Windows 11. Now here you gotta select Wait for User Selection and click on Save Settings. Now setup's completed. Now close it. No thanks. Now you gotta restore your PC. Now at startup, you will see the boot menu. Choose your Windows 11 and hit enter. Your system will boot directly into the Windows 11 setup, just like USB installer. From there, follow Windows normal installation setups. Now you can format or deboot. Windows will restore several times. This is normal. When the boot menu appears again, choose Newly Installed Windows, not the installer entry. complete your region, keyboard, and network setup. After a few minutes, you will land on a Windows 11 desktop. Installation complete. Now congratulations, you've successfully installed Windows with a USB drive. And now if you don't want that 10 GB partition visible, right click in Start menu, open Disk Management, right click in that partition, select Change Drive Later, and click Remove. Yes, that's it, it's not here. Close it. It will stay hidden but usable. And that's it. You just installed Windows without using a USB drive. Yes, it takes a few extra steps, but it's reliable, clean, and works almost exactly like a bootable installer. If this video helped you, hit like and save this video. You might need it someday when you don't have USB nearby. And if you want more advanced Windows tricks and no USB methods, comment on below. See you in the next one.